A referendum is a direct and democratic process that allows the citizens of a country or a specific region to directly vote on a particular issue or question. It provides individuals with an opportunity to have a direct say in shaping public policy or making important decisions without the involvement of elected representatives. Referendums are used to seek public approval or rejection of specific laws, constitutional amendments, major policies, or issues of national or regional significance. The term referendum originates from the Latin word referre, which means to bring back. In this context, it signifies the act of referring a specific question back to the people for their decision. This mechanism is based on the principle that certain decisions are best made by the people themselves, rather than solely by politicians. The process of conducting a referendum typically involves several stages. Formulating the question. The referendum question is carefully worded to be clear, unbiased, and easily understandable for the voters. The wording is crucial, as it can influence the outcome. Campaigning. Advocacy groups, political parties, and other stakeholders campaign to persuade the electorate to vote in favor of their position. This campaigning process is an essential part of the referendum, as it aims to inform and influence voters' opinions. Voting. On the designated day, eligible citizens cast their votes. The methods of voting can vary, ranging from paper ballots to electronic voting systems. Counting and results. After the voting period ends, the votes are counted, and the result is declared. In most cases, a simple majority, 50% plus 1, is sufficient to determine the outcome. Referendums can serve different purposes, and they come in various types, including legislative referendum. In this type, the government proposes a specific law or constitutional amendment, and the electorate votes to approve or reject it. The result is legally binding. Popular initiative referendum. Here, a certain number of citizens can propose a new law or constitutional amendment by collecting a predetermined number of signatures. If the required number of signatures is obtained, the proposal is put to a referendum vote. Advisory referendum. In an advisory referendum, the government seeks the opinion of the public on a particular issue without being bound to follow the result. It serves as a means to gauge public sentiment on specific matters. Referendums have been used to decide on various significant issues, such as constitutional reforms, EU membership, independence or secession, same-sex marriage, and major infrastructure projects. However, the use of referendums varies among countries, and not all nations have a legal framework for conducting referendums. While referendums offer an avenue for direct democratic participation and increased public engagement, they also have their critics. Some argue that complex issues may not be adequately understood by the general public, leading to uninformed voting. Additionally, referendum campaigns can be influenced by special interest groups and media bias, potentially affecting the democratic process. In conclusion, a referendum is a direct and democratic process that allows citizens to directly vote on specific issues or questions. Referendums empower individuals to influence public policy directly, but they also raise challenges and controversies. The use of referendums varies across countries, and their significance in shaping democratic decision-making continues to evolve.